What's up everybody, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install Node.js and I'm going to show you how to set up your React project. So in the search bar you just have to type nodejs.org and from this website you can get the Node.js. So I'm going to click on get Node.js and after that I'm going to click download for Windows. So it's going to download a setup for Node.js. It's gonna take some time. Now let me open this. As you can see, we have the Node.js setup. Now click next. Then you can set your path. You can also change some setting from here. Then I'm gonna click next and next. And it's gonna install the Node.js in our Windows. It's gonna take some minute to complete this setup. Alright, so our setup is done. Now let me minimize the browser and let me open Git Bash. You can use PowerShell or Terminal instead of Git Bash, but I prefer Git Bash and you can download that from Google. So you can see we have the Node.js version. So that's mean our Node.js is installed and we have also the npm dependency. Now next I'm gonna change the directory to desktop. So now I am at the desktop. Here I'm gonna create the React project. So let's type npm create Vite@latest and then we will type the project name hello world app, then hit enter. It's gonna give us some option. We have different kind of frameworks. We have Vue.js, React.js. So I'm gonna select React and then inside React we have some varieties and let's select JavaScript. So our project has been created. Now I'm gonna change the directory to that project. Now I am inside the project folder. Let's install the Node package manager and I'm gonna pause the video so when it is done we will get back to the next step. Alright, so after that I'm gonna open this project in VS Code. As you can see our project has been opened in VS Code. We have app.jsx. So this is our React.js. Now inside VS Code using Control and Tilt button, you can open the Git Bash or terminal. Let's run the project. Now our project is running. So I'm gonna open this link. As you can see, our React is running perfectly and our counter is also working. So now I'm gonna change this a little bit. Let's get back to the VS Code and let me close or minimize this. So in the source directory, we have the app.jsx. Let's open. I have already opened this. Now I'm gonna remove everything from here. Then I'm gonna type h1. Let's create h1 tag and then hello world from React.js. Let's save this and now we have to check this in a browser and you can see we have the hello world from React.js. So I hope you will like this tutorial. If you like, please make sure to subscribe our channel.